Hi guys, so we are starting out day 2 in San Francisco. I'm heading over to Alamo Square to meet Robert, and we're going to have another day out to be able to find different places again. Today's weather has been a bit drizzly. Hopefully it doesn't turn out for the rest of the day. Hi guys, so we are finally here at the Painted Ladies at Alamo Square. So today has been very rainy. Unlike the rain in Singapore, the rain here is very misty, very fine. Hopefully the weather turns out better, but if not, either ways we are getting some shots of the place. Hi guys, so I know this has been a long video, but as usual, if you guys like my content, please like and subscribe so that I can generate more content for this channel. If not, let's continue my trip in San Francisco. Hi guys, so we are down here at the Golden Gate Bridge. It takes about 45 minutes to walk over, so we're going to explore the area around here and we're going to walk on over and see how far it gets. Okay guys, so this is how thick and how big the cable on top of the Golden Gate Bridge is. See, take a look. This is the size of my hand. It's very cold here, so we have decided not to walk through the bridge. So for today, these are the two places that we have covered. Hi guys, thank you for watching. Unfortunately, the rest of the clips I'm unable to use the audio as the wind noise was too much. Either ways, this concludes my tour at the US, San Francisco. I hope you guys like this series where I go to US and travel in different places around California. Please like and subscribe so that you can be up to date with my content. If not, I'll see you guys around. Oh yeah, do check out my Flickr page for all the settings of the photos that I featured in my Photowalks.